Yes, so welcome to another tutorial. Yeah, this one's going to be about the bearing that you're seeing in the corner here. Yeah, so all this is still part of our project, that is the pellet making machine. Yeah, so in every video I'll be adding it there so that you can be able to see basically what we are doing. So start with the circle. As we are all seeing, it's measuring 130 millimeters and it has an internal diameter. We have another circle inside that is of 45. Still, those are millimeters. And from this point, all we are going to do is to extrude. Going to extrude it through 30 millimeters, like that. And from here, we shall do some chamfering around the edge. Channel chamfering as such, but the fillet of 1 millimeter. Don't mind about this. I'm going to change this to 1 millimeter, like that. And we shall continue to do the same this other side, like that. Okay, so having reached this step, the other step is we are going to create some little groove or offset down here, so that we create what would be the protection inside. So I'm going to click on that face, I make it normal, then I will draw another circle that is 55 millimeters diameter, like that. Having done that, I'm going to draw another one. Still, it is outside, but of diameter 115. So I'm going to extrude the internal part. So I'm going to extrude cut, and it'll be 3 millimeters, going the opposite direction of the lower side, or the back for this case, what we are seeing on the screen. And we shall have that. So from here, you can do the same thing on the other side, or you can just decide to mirror what we have. Get the point? Yeah, so from here, let me just go back to this first part and I do some change. I'm going to make this a mid-plane so that it happens to be like that. So I'm going to mirror the cut. I'm going to mirror the extrude cut. So I'll do that. Then this will be the top, so that it's done on the opposite side, like that. So what will follow here will be some simple fillet, just to kill off these sharp edges. Get the point here. So you can make it like that or further reduce, but for now I'll leave it at this. Yeah, so this is it. This is the bearing. Thank you so much. Keep around for another video regarding the pellet making machine.